What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is George and you are here for a good video. Because today, what we're actually doing is a challenge video. I'm going to be doing a charcoal toothpaste versus a charcoal tooth powder. And I have a video I did before with this brand called, I think it's 100% charcoal. Now this company here, not sure if you ever heard of this, but this is a powder. This is a charcoal powder that I tried in a previous video, and that was quite a mess. So I recently just received this in the mail. This is by the Dental Expert. It's upside down. And I've never tried this. This is a toothpaste that's charcoal. So today's video, if it's not obvious enough, we're going to be trying these both out and seeing which one has the better experience overall. So if you're interested in seeing which one is better, then keep watching this video. In today's look today, I'm serving you some like redneck realness and some Tommy Hilfiger. So yeah, charcoal toothpaste. I don't know about you, but I've never had a great experience. So with that being said, the first product I've ever tried that was charcoal was this one I've mentioned before. 100% charcoal madness. I can't believe I'm going to try this again for this video. And if you see my previous video about this, you'll know what mess it caused, but you'll see that again in this one. I've said I never try this again, but here we are. I guess for the sake of this video, it's here and we're going to give it a try again. Now this is the Dental Expert's Active Whitening Charcoal Toothpaste in flavor mint. Toothpaste to me should always be a minty flavor. I just can't do anything that's like a sweet type of toothpaste, like strawberry or whatever. Now I know this company, they sent me this recently and I did check it out. It is indeed a paste. Comes in a bottle like this. And you actually get a pretty decent amount for, looks like 105 grams, 3.70 ounces. All right, let's see what's inside this box here. Looks like there are some instructions which look pretty basic to me. Nothing crazy or out of the ordinary. This toothpaste actually comes in some pretty unique but weird flavors like peaches, there's licorice, lemon, ginger. I don't know about that, but I'm sure you can't really mess up mint. So I'm happy I'm trying this one out. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to give this a shot. So let's take this to my bathroom. Alright guys, here we are in my bathroom. And I'm just about as ready as I'm going to be with giving this a shot because charcoal and I, we don't get along. So what you need to get started is a toothbrush. Now this is nothing fancy, this is just a basic toothbrush by Oral-B. And we're gonna start this out by using the mess here. Just one with the brush a little more. And here we go. You could actually see the charcoal powder just like smoking. It's not okay. Alright, so we're dipping it in there. Pretty good. And you can see on the toothbrush it is pretty black. And there's not too much, but that's like the recommended amount, so I'm not doing it wrong. And here goes nothing. That's what happens when you use the powder. And as you can see, that left quite a mess. My lips are black, my gums are black, and yeah. So I rinsed my mouth just about as much as I possibly could to get ready for the paste. So I'm actually using the same exact toothbrush as I used for the powder, and let's give this a shot. It does have like a very minty smell to it, and looks like it comes out just like a paste. Very black. Alright, here we go. The paste, well, major upgrade from the powder. I have to say, I actually don't mind this. And my mouth is a little sensitive from using the charcoal powder. Like I said in my previous video with using that, it leaves your mouth very like sensitive. But This though, I mean, you really can't even tell it's charcoal until like you spit it out, which I'm not showing you guys that because it came out just like normal toothpaste. It wasn't like a mess like the previous one, which you seen like the black charcoal everywhere. This just came out normal. Tastes like a normal minty toothpaste. And yeah, I kind of like it. Actually, I really like it. I'm gonna see if this gives me any results with using it maybe like over the past couple weeks. And I'll keep you updated on like Twitter or something. This is going right in the garbage where it belongs. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna notice or not in this video, but I'm like breaking out pretty bad on my neck. It's kind of embarrassing, but I'm trying to think like what the only difference is I'm doing with my routine, my regimen, and the only thing I've started doing was using this, and this is the Glow Facial Serum. It's by Valjean Labs. You can get this at Urban Outfitters. I think like Ulta and stuff sells them, but this is supposed to give you like vitamins, magnesium within your skin, so it's going to give you a healthy glow. At least that's what it says it's going to do. I only started using this a couple days ago, and I'm breaking out, so I'm hoping it's not from this. But if you guys ever tried this, let me know down below if you had the same experience or any experience. So yeah, that's a wrap. And I will never use charcoal tooth whitening powder ever again. So that's going in the garbage for sure this time. I don't like to like diss any company or talk bad, but that's I really don't know how that's okay. Like that powder just, it's a mess. Before we go, I do want to make sure that I mention my giveaway. In my previous video, I mentioned I'm giving away to a first prize winner a watch by Jord. And just to recap, Jord is a brand that makes handcrafted, stunning, beautiful wooden watches for women and for men. So what I'm going to do is leave a description down below where you can check these out yourself and see the beauty of it all. A funny story about Jord. Well, do you guys remember that beautiful watch I showed you in my last video? Yes, this one here. Well, I took a spill the other day walking out of my house. I just completely biffed right down like 6 steps on like a sheet of ice. It was like maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. I was on my way to work and I completely did not see like the glass of ice anywhere. So what did I do? I went for a nice little ride down my stairs and this happened. So this goes to show you how authentic the wood is. Now my fall wasn't just like a little fall. I literally am lucky to be alive. No, I'm kidding. It was a pretty crazy fall. But on the impact of the ground, I ended up breaking the band of my watch. So I am actually in the works with Jord to get this fixed. They're very cooperative when it comes to situations like this. But yeah, this is just to show you how real and raw the wood is. So fun fact there. And the second prize winner will win a bracelet of your choice from my collection. Yes, that's right. If you're new to this channel, I make bracelets. They're on Etsy. Just search George Shira. But yes, second prize winner, you're winning a bracelet of your choice from my recent collection. And I'm excited to share this with you guys and to pick a winner. Thank you guys again for the 1,500 subscribers. It's huge for me, and I'm very thankful. Yes. So if you guys haven't already, or if you're new, again, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.